Hi. So I'm going to show you an overview of the book that I made that we're planning on making in craft class, just so you can kind of get an idea of some of the things we'll be learning. And you can also start thinking about some papers that you would like. This is a steampunk book, and Argonaut is on the front. I haven't decided if I'm going to put some gears or what I'm going to put on here. I'm sorry, my hands still have glue on them. And the cover, I am going to put something that says journal, but that I haven't decided yet, and then the back. So let's go ahead and walk through this, and then you can kind of see what we're going to be doing. This is based on the Graphic 45 album. You can buy these, they're $15. They have 18 pages, and we make 6 of them that turn into 18 pages, and you can kind of see there's one set. This is just made from a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock. And so to make this, we'll need 6 12 by 12 pieces. And when you look here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the face page. And again, I used the same little girl that I used on the back. Now, this isn't complete, but there are things I still have to do, but I'm going to tell you what we're going to do with them. I have ink and everything all over my fingers. This is made for pictures, so I'm going to put little stamps here that say pictures size by size. And when you look at this, this opens up, so we will be I'm going to cut out some tags that will fit in here, and each side will be able to have a picture. So that's something to keep in mind. Then we have some places with pockets. Pockets are basically on every other side. So, okay, let's go through it. I have used some brads to make it look a little more steampunkish, and what you'll have to do is you'll put these in before we put this page on so that it hides the other side of the brads. Lots of pockets, lots of places you can put lots of pictures. This is a page that I learned from Scrap Queen. Really fun, really easy, and you just start out by using all of your scraps. And you guys in my class know that I save all of my scraps so that I can do things like this. More pockets. Now this was kind of fun. I used some ribbons, and I attached the back of the ribbon to this side of the black sheet before I put the fancy paper on it to tack it down. And then I just used it like bookmarks, and this could possibly be used as bookmarks in here, but I've actually put a little pocket here so that we can put some fun little things, and you can also put pictures. You can put pictures anywhere you like. And more pockets. And again, each set of these has a back side and front side pocket that you can put tags in to put pictures. And we've just decorated it. Again, more pockets, more decorations, pockets, decorations. These actually came with the paper set. The paper set is from Victoria Design, and it's her steampunk set. And more pockets. And then I have a die that I went ahead and I cut out some of these gears, and I was going to paint them gold, but I thought, no, I like the black. It just shows them up better. So I am thinking of making more of these gears, painting them gold, and putting them on the front as decorations. Picture page, big picture page. Lots of little decorations, more tag envelopes. And again, we did this, which is somewhat like the page. I'm sorry, I'm not finding it. Oh well, oh, you saw it. And it's basically on the same premise. We made all of our scraps into a nice little design. This is just a plain page. And I made a frame from the same premise using all of the scraps, and then a picture. You can put your own picture in there if you like. So there's several things that we're going to work on, and we will learn before we even start this. And one is how to make the page sets out of a 12 by 12 paper. One of them will be how to make these out of your scraps, how to make frames, put frames together, how to cut the corners so that it actually looks like a frame, and then just a single sheet that is actually, there it is, that's actually nothing but your scraps. So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're getting ready to make this lovely album. And yeah, come back and join me again. Thanks. Bye-bye.